Beautiful.
Well, this is another soda review, another one of these Italian Bio Sicilia. Bio Sicilia. They're made in Sicily. This is orange soda. Now, what you notice is this looks more like orange juice. You don't have that rich orange color that we see in American sodas, and they actually have like pulp in their sodas. So it's something quite different. Something different. That's it. Everything's different everywhere. It's the little differences, you know. You know what they call the quarter pounder in France?
What's that?
Royale with cheese.
Really?
You know why that is?
Why?
The metric system.
Ah, interesting. Yeah, I guess a 3 ounce or whatever the heck they say.
We'll see if this Arancia, which is orange soda, Arancia. I hope I'm saying that right. If there's anyone out there, if I've said it right, Arancia.
Arancia.
Boom, 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 boom. No, 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 no. Now, there's not much carbonation put in Italian sodas, so it kind of comes off a little bit flat. It's not as acidic as regular orange juice, I noticed that. But it tastes more like an orange juice. I'm going to give this a 6.6. 6.6. It's an interesting soda. It's something different. And maybe one day if I ever get to Italy, I'll see if I enjoy this while looking at the Mount Vesuvius.
What are your top cities in Italy you would want to go to?
Rome, Naples, wherever Pompeii is.
Yeah, I think it's right by Naples.
Oh, it is. It is.
Nice. Well, I'll petition for soda reviews in Italy.
Yes.